What is up, guys? Marco here for another video. Today we are going to be installing the ISR test pipes on the Gen today. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I do have a cap back on right now and some aftermarket headers. So I'm excited to see how this is going to sound. I don't have the primary cat. Primary cat has been gone. I still have the secondary cat, which is what this is going to delete. So I'm excited to see how it sounds. I will do a before and after video on a cold start and see if we can get a different comparison. Alright guys, so first step is going to be jack up the car. Now, obviously safety first. Unfortunately, I don't have jack stands at the moment, so I'm actually going to risk it and just literally put the jack stand just up like that with no safety or anything like that. So hopefully everything is fine. So we got that up. Now we are going, this is, let's see if I can get this. So this is what it's gonna replace right here. These cats. I know it looks ugly under here, so I apologize. So that's what that's gonna replace. Remove that cat, the secondary cat, and so it should make some loud noises. What's up, guys? It is now 2 days later since that initial video. I had some issues getting the secondary cat out. The secondary cat has the issues that I'm having was the 4 18mm bolts. So ended up I had to take the whole mid pipe down and decided to cut the bolts out. So here, let me show you what I mean. Here's the secondary cat. As you can see right here, this bolt, it's completely gone. I ended up having to cut it to get the bolts out. Otherwise, those bolts were completely seized. Impact gun wouldn't get it. I couldn't get a breaker bar, so that was my last resort. So the ISR test pipes are on. So let me give you a quick look at what that looks like. So they are on. I don't know if I said it before, but these are the 3-inch test pipes. So I'm expecting some pretty good noises from this. So here's a cold start with these test pipes. What do you guys think? I think it kind of sounds very similar, maybe a little bit louder, and the pops aren't as loud as with the cats on it, it seems to me. What do you guys think? You think it was better keeping the cats on, or it sounds a lot better now? Let me know. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.